Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy deodorant using natural ingredients. The ingredients you're going to need are unrefined coconut oil, unrefined shea butter, bicarbonate of soda, and arrowroot starch. Arrowroot starch is made from the roots of tropical plants. It's a gluten-free, flavorless thickener. Many store-bought deodorants contain chemicals that with long-term use can be potentially harmful. Here are some examples. Aluminium compounds may accumulate in breast tissue, increasing breast cancer and neurotoxic risks. Parabens mimic estrogen, potentially raising cancer and reproductive risks. Phthalates are linked to hormonal imbalance and reproductive harm. Triclosan may affect thyroid hormones and promote antibiotic resistance. Synthetic fragrances can cause allergies, asthma, and disrupt hormones. Propylene glycol may irritate the skin and is a potential neurotoxin. Formaldehyde-releasing preservatives releases formaldehyde, which is a carcinogen and skin irritant. These are the ingredients you will need: 2.5 tablespoons of unrefined coconut oil, 2.5 tablespoons of unrefined shea butter, 1/4 cup of arrowroot starch, and 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda. These are the optional ingredients that you can add: 6 drops of lavender essential oil and 1 drop of tea tree essential oil. Now I'm going to show you how to make the deodorant. Place the coconut oil and shea butter in a glass bowl or jar and place it inside a pot or pan. Add water to the saucepan, enough to surround the bowl but not to overflow it, and bring it to the boil. Stir the coconut oil and shea butter. Once melted, add in the arrowroot starch, baking soda, and essential oils. Place in a small glass jar and allow it to cool at room temperature or in the fridge until it's reached a solid state. It will harden faster in the fridge. Cover with a lid until it's time to use. This deodorant is really easy to use. You can wet your underarms slightly. This can help with an even application. Rub a pea-sized amount between your fingers before applying. For a regular day, 1 application in the morning should be fine. For hotter days, workouts, or if you're particularly sweaty, feel free to reapply as needed. Some people can have a sensitivity to tea tree oil, so you can do a patch test to see if there's any sensitivity, and then don't make it with tea tree oil. These ingredients have a shelf life of 6 to 12 months if stored in a cool, dark place in an airtight container. Tea tree oil will extend the freshness. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and share with friends and family. You can also check out my other videos where I'll show you how to make natural shampoo, hair oil, and household cleaners. Thank you for watching.